Genius Kids. Cultivating love for learning.
Chapter 5: Backgrounds and Animations. What's inside? In this chapter, you will learn about making a lively presentation, changing the slide background, applying the theme, applying the slide transition, applying animation to slide objects, preparing the slideshow. Rahul, do you watch cartoons? They look funny and interesting to you as they contain various backgrounds and animations with some special sound and transition effects. Isn't it? So in this chapter you are going to study about the various backgrounds and animation effects in the PowerPoint package. Making a lively presentation. If you have designed a presentation, it should also look attractive and animated. For this, we have lots of options like changing background, selecting themes, and animating objects on slides. Changing the slide background. You can select a background for the selected slides or all the slides of your presentation. To apply a background to the slide, 1. Select the slide. 2. Click on the Design tab. 3. Click on the Customize group. 4. Select the Format Background option. 5. The Format Background dialog box opens. From the given options you can choose various types of background as shown alongside. Applying the theme. Themes are ready-made combinations of background, font setting and layouts. All work together to create a mood for your presentation. Applying a theme to a presentation gives a consistent look to a presentation. To apply a theme, 1. Click on the Design tab. 2. Scroll through the Themes gallery. Right-click a theme and select following options. A. Select Apply to all slides to apply the theme to all slides in your presentation. B. Select Apply to selected slides to apply the theme to currently selected slides. Applying the slide transition. It is no fun if the slide comes and goes like pages of your notebook. There should be some type of effects when a slide is introduced in the presentation. The special effect with which a slide is introduced in the presentation is called the transition effect. To apply the transition effect, 1. Select the slide to which you to apply the transition effect. 2. Click on the Transitions tab. 3. Scroll through the slide transition gallery and click on the transition effect you want to apply to the current slide. Click to apply the transition effect to all the slides. Adding sound to transitions. The sound effect added with the visual effect can enhance the transition effect. 1. Click on the Transition Sound field. 2. Select the sound effect. Varying transition speed. Specify the length of a transition. 1. Click on the Transitions tab. 2. Click on the duration. 3. Manually enable the on mouse click option. Advancing the slides. You can advance from one slide to the other by either clicking the mouse or waiting for a certain interval of time to pass. 1. Select a slide with the transition effect applied. 2. To advance slide manually, enable the on mouse click option. Or, to advance the slide automatically after an interval of time, enable the automatically after checkbox and set the time interval. Applying animation to slide objects. It will be more fun if each object added on the slide can also move and fly. You can add an animation effect to the individual objects like text, pictures, and tables on the slide. To add an animation effect to a picture on the slide, 1. Select the slide object which you want to animate. 2. Click on Animations tab. 3. From the Animation Styles drop-down list, select the type of animation. The animation effect will be applied to the selected text. Preparing the slideshow. Now it is the time for people to have a look at your hard work. You can show your presentation in the form of a slideshow. In the slideshow, all the slides will be displayed one by one in full view. To view the slideshow, 1. Click on the slideshow button. 2. You can view the slides from Start Slideshow tab, from beginning or from the current slide as well by clicking on the From Beginning or From Current Slide button. 3. You can also press the F5 key to start the slideshow. You can press Escape key to end the slideshow. Points at a glance. You can select a background for the selected slide or all the slides of your presentation. Themes in PowerPoint are design settings with predefined colors and font properties. The special effect with which a slide is introduced in the presentation is called the transition effect. You can select a method, a mouse click or after the mentioned time interval, to advance the slides in a presentation. You can add animation to individual objects like text, pictures, and tables on the slide.
Like, share, and subscribe.